In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove auto-grouping in tables using Tableau. This process is straightforward and designed to help streamline your workflow as you work with your data. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First things first, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. This is your starting point for all Tableau projects. Once you have the app open, the next thing you'll want to do is access your worksheet. The worksheet is where all your data visualizations happen and is the canvas on which you will apply your changes. Now let's get your data organized. Start by dragging the category dimension to the rows shelf on your worksheet. This simple action allows you to organize your data by categories, making it easier to identify patterns and insights later on. Once you've added category, you'll do something similar with the region dimension. Drag region to the rows shelf just as you did with category to create a granular view of your data sorted by region. With your dimensions in place, we'll need to create a calculated field, which gives us more control over how our data is displayed and helps us avoid unwanted auto-grouping. To do this, look at the top menu and click on Analysis. In the drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Create Calculated Field. Click on that. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to enter a name and formula for your field. In the name field, type index, and for the formula, enter index. Once you've done that, go ahead and click OK to create your calculated field. After creating the index field, navigate to the drop-down menu for your new field. You'll need to select Convert to Discrete from this menu. Converting it to a discrete measure is crucial as it changes the data type to something Tableau can arrange correctly in the context of our table. Finally, you'll add this newly created field to your rows. Drag index to the rows shelf, but make sure it's before category. This repositioning ensures that our data is appropriately ordered, preventing Tableau from automatically grouping rows you might not want grouped. And that's it. By following these steps, you've effectively managed to remove auto-grouping in your Tableau tables. This allows for a more customized and accurate representation of your data, ensuring that you gain the insights necessary for analysis without unwanted interference. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in navigating and utilizing Tableau to its fullest potential.